Hi, we shall understand the traction battery removal process in this video. Tools required are as follows. Box socket 10, box socket 12, Allen socket 4 and 5, 8, 10 and 12 T-spanner, screw socket, 100 mm extension bar, Allen keys, standard and Phillips screwdriver. To begin with, remove the snap rivets below the handlebar cover. Pull and remove the handlebar cover rear. Disconnect LH/RH control switch coupler. Disconnect ICL coupler. Remove the two bolts connecting the number plate bracket. Carefully remove the number plate bracket. Gently insert the standard screwdriver beneath the grill assembly and push it upwards to remove the grill assembly. Next, remove the two screws connecting panel shield upper to the front shield. Remove the panel shield upper carefully by keeping the handlebar straight. Remove the two upper bolts connecting the front shield to the frame. Open the glove box and remove 4 screws connecting the glove box cover to the frame. Remove the caps on the floorboard assembly and remove the 2 screws beneath them. Turn the handlebar towards left and right and remove the mounting nut behind lower shield. Slightly loosen the glove box cover and remove start-stop switch coupler, charging socket coupler, and glove box lock coupler, then you may remove the glove box cover. Remove the 2 screws connecting the front shield lower. And then remove the 4 Allen bolts adjacent to the screws. Remove the 2 bolts from the shield lower RH and slide back the shield to remove it. Repeat the same process with shield lower LH. Remove the lower shield. Remove the swing arm cover RH and LH. Open the helmet box and remove the 4 bolts connecting the helmet box to the frame. Carefully disengage the helmet box lamp coupler and remove the helmet box. Remove the auxiliary fuse box, fuse number 2, then remove the auxiliary battery negative terminal. Check the voltage across positive and negative terminal of traction battery carefully. It is safe to remove the traction battery if the voltage across terminals is less than 5 volt. Then remove the traction battery can coupler. Remove the negative terminal of traction battery first, and then remove the positive terminal. Remove 2 washers with each of the terminal. Put the vehicle on main stand. Make sure the vehicle is standing stable on ramp. Raise the ramp to access the traction battery easily. Remove the 9 bolts connecting the guard plate to the frame. Remember, there are 4 bolts on the LH and RH side, and 1 bolt on the front side beneath lower shield. Use extension bar where access is limited. Remove the guard plate. Place the traction battery removal jack below the battery and make sure it's placed at the center of battery. Raise the jack till it touches the traction battery, so that when the traction battery is removed, it can easily rest properly. Remove the 2 bolts connecting the bracket battery to the frame. Do not, under any circumstance, remove the bolts which mounts the bracket to the battery. Remove 8 such bolts with the help of torque wrench. After removing the bolts, the battery will rest on the jack. Carefully lower the traction battery. While assembling, lift the jack and adjust to make sure of proper fitment. See for any obstructions while assembling. If necessary, slightly loosen the battery bracket for proper alignment. Lower and remove the jack. Reassembly of other components is reverse of removal. Thank you for watching. Keep electrifying.